In the third part of the lecture series introducing the sensorimotor and cognitive profile test, we present the first steps in using the test. On the test's main page, users can find brief information on registration, login, generating access codes, completing tasks, and viewing results. Language selection and switching between languages are available at any time as a continuously accessible option. Before the first login, the user who does not have a login code and wants to become an examiner must register. During the registration, it must be decided in what role the user wishes to conduct the examinations. The parent option is for getting to know the test and carrying out individual testings. Professional users can conduct individual and group test sessions. The test subject who has already received a code from a registered user can use that code and the corresponding password to access the tasks without registration. During registration, the user fills out a profile form. After completing this step, they can log in using the email address and password they provided. To ensure anonymity, testing itself is conducted using a code and password. If a registered user wishes to take the test, they must generate a code for themselves. In the login section, users must decide whether they want to take a test using a previously generated code and its corresponding password or log in as an examiner with their email address and personal password. A registered user can assign test subjects by generating codes, each associated with a unique password. The system sends the codes and passwords to the registered user's email address. It is the registered user's responsibility to protect the password-secured codes. The test person provided with the code and password can then complete the test. It is recommended to create groups or classes, as this allows downloading the results of a specific group or class in XLS or CSV format. The examinees page provides access to individual test subjects' tasks. This may be necessary for young children, while older participants can log in independently with their code and password. If needed, the registered user can change the password for any generated access code or remove previously assigned subjects. On this page, users can review test subjects' results broken down into scores, statistical representations, and pie charts. When viewing results, users can specify which time periods test results should be downloaded. It is also advisable to select the reference age values to which the results should be compared. The individual results page displays the score and completion time for each completed task. Scrolling further down the page, users can see the individual's results compared to reference values. In the statistical display, the average results are shown in a green field, representing the reference value mean +/- the standard deviation of the reference data. The yellow field indicates results deviating by 1 standard deviation above or below the mean, while the red field highlights results that differ from the mean by at least 2 standard deviations. Further down the results page, a pie chart compares the individual's results with the reference average. This visual representation provides a comprehensive overview of the individual's sensorimotor and cognitive profile. Results can be downloaded in the file format selected by the registered user. Users can choose which subject's data, collected within a specific time interval, should be downloaded. This ensures that test results can be utilized in various ways.